Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're going to pit these bulbs in a head-to-head competition. On our left we have a regular set of Light Moses LED replacement headlight bulbs. These bulbs are non-CAN bus. They have a large heatsink, press-on bulb adapter base plate, and the light source at the top here is 8 CSP panels. Each panel has 6 LEDs. These go around the circumference, creating a perfect 360-degree beam pattern, eliminating all shadows and dark spots. On the right, we have their premium line. These are a CAN bus system with LED driver pack, a large heat sink at the bottom. This one has an adapter screw for their base plate. Uses that screw to twist this into place because it is a 9005 style bulb. And at the top here, the light source is 6 panels with 3 Cree chips on each face. This also creates a perfect 360-degree beam pattern, eliminating any shadows and dark spots. Grabbing these two bulbs and putting them side by side, we can see that they do have an identical form factor with a few minor differences. Namely, the screw for that 9005 adapter plate, and that this shaft extension is chrome, while this one is powder-coated black. We're going to grab our light box and measure the standard bulb with the with the H7 adapter plate. As our power drops down to around 2.2 amps, we'll see our light meter fluctuate and also settle down around 1100 lux. There we go, it's slowing down quite a bit. We're going to go with that. So, about 1114 is where we let off. Next, let's grab our premium set. Attach our power adapter and plug it in. We will also use the H7 base adapter from the previous test to ensure that both bulbs are lowered into our light box at the same level. Alright, we're starting out at 3 amps on the power supply and over 1200 lux on our meter, but we can see that that is rapidly dropping. The current draw should stabilize around 2.75 amps, and by that time we will be under 1000 lux. I'm going to pause the video for a while we let this draw down. Alright, we're back. It's only been about 2 minutes since I paused, and our power or current draw and lux has become fairly stable with a little trickle here and there. We're actually above 1000 lux this time around, but still significantly lower than the non-premium version, about 90% as bright. So, what can we say about these bulbs? Should you get the premium set, or should you save your money and get the regular set? Well, that's a complicated question. If you have a newer vehicle that has a CAN bus issue, or would try and alert you that a bulb was out if you didn't have a CAN bus bulb in there, then the premium set would eliminate that warning. However, if you don't have a system like that, then my recommendation is to buy the less expensive non-premium version. In any case, that's all I have for today's video. If you found it informative or enjoyable in any way, hit that like button for me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. I upload content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Until next time, I'm James the Light Guy.